quick lesson today. Dan and Shay, all to myself. Open tuning, capo, first fret. All right. So we've only got 3 chords. We'll get to that riff here in just a second. Let's talk about these chords. There's only 3 chords in the whole song. You've got an A minor, a C, an F, but we're gonna do an open version, and then back to C. That's the whole thing. So let's talk about the riff. Riff is pretty easy as well. It's all gonna be on the 5th and 2nd string. So we're gonna pluck the 5th string with our thumb, and 2nd string with our index finger. For the first part, you're gonna put your index on the 1st fret, 2nd string. So you're gonna pluck the 5th and the 2nd string. And then you pluck the 2nd string again right after it. And then you kind of slap. Pluck, pluck, slap. Pluck together, pluck again, slap. Pluck together, pluck again, slap. All right, so that's how they all work. So, and then when you jump up to the 3rd fret relative to the capo, you're gonna put your index on the 3rd fret 5th string and your 3rd finger on the 5th fret 2nd string. So there it is again. Pluck together, pluck, slap, and then that's 3rd fret 5th string, 5th fret 2nd string. So, and then you slap, and then you jump up to the 8th fret. I think that's right. 3, 5, 7, 8 to the 8th fret, 5th string, and then your 3rd finger goes on the 10th fret 2nd string, and you do the same thing you did the first time. So pluck together, pluck again, slap. 5th and 2nd together, and then the 2nd by itself and a slap. And then you go slide, keep that same shape, slide right back to the 3rd and the 5th. So you got pluck, pluck, slap, pluck, slide up, pluck, pluck, slap, pluck. All right, so the big move is from the 3rd fret up to the 8th fret. So pluck, pluck, slap, pluck, 3rd and 5, 8 and 10, pluck, pluck, slap, 3 and 5. So again, we're on the 5th string and the 2nd string, pluck, pluck, slap, 3rd fret, 5th string, 5th fret, 2nd string together, and then you slide up, and you've got 8th fret, 5th string, 10th fret, 2nd string, pluck together, pluck, 2nd string, slap. So just like that. So as far as the chords go, we'll use a pick on this. So we got A minor, C, F, C, A minor, C, F, C, A minor, C, F, C. So when you're doing that, you're gonna go down, up, down, down, up, down, down, F, up, down, down, up, down, down. I'll do that again a little bit slower. So down, up, down, C, up, down, down, F, up, down, C, up, down, 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 up, down, C, up, down, down, F, up, down, C, up, down, down. Up to speed, it would be like this. Once you get that, you can throw in an extra down, up in between some of those changes. So you've got down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, F, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, A minor, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Now if that's too hard, you can do the simplified version, which would be down, up, down, down, up, down, down, F, up, down, down, up, down, down, A minor, up, down, down, up, down, down to F, down, 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 up, down, down. So that's it. The chords remain the same through the whole thing, and then you can play that riff and switch back and forth between the two depending on what section you're trying to play. That's it, you guys. Have a great day.